When looking for the best cocoa powder, it's important to know a few things. Cocoa powder is made from roasted cocoa beans and is used in many delicious recipes like chocolate cakes, brownies, and hot cocoa. First, look for unsweetened cocoa powder. This type has no added sugar. Sugar is where all the garbage, you're gonna go to the hospital. So you can control how sweet your treats will be. Brands like Hershey's and Ghirardelli are popular to have great quality. Next, consider Dutch processed cocoa powder. This kind is treated to have a smoother taste and darker color. It's perfect for recipes if you want rich chocolate flavor. Now, brands like Valrhona and Cacao Barry, I'll put everything in the description. They offer excellent Dutch processed options. Another thing is to check the quality of organic cocoa powder. If it's made with the best beans that are grown without harmful chemicals, this can be a healthier choice, obviously. Finally, read reviews, okay? Other bakers often share their experiences with different brands. This can help you find the best ones that you need for you. Use high quality cocoa powder. It makes a big difference in your recipes. With the right cocoa powder, you can create delicious chocolate treats that everyone will love.